Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Betty Jane Community Learning Center in Akron, Ohio, part of the Akron City School District, and just an honor, my first visit here to their campus, home of the Owls. It was a hoot. But no, I mean, just the kids really touched my heart, the students and staff. We had 2 separate assemblies today, grades K through 5. The principal focus was on bullying with the sub-theme of looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. And you know, our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, like I told everyone today, we can turn that into this, right? The peace sign, that one finger is ourself. The other was someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, you know, that one action, that one heartbeat, one breath, one word, you know, we can say something so kind that it uplifts somebody as high as the stars, or we can say something so mean that it kind of cuts them down, right? And so, you know, what was really an honor for me, at least, you know, is to know that a lot of them responded. Some came up after and shared some of the current pain, people that have been bullying them. But like I always say, there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter. What matters is what we believe, right? And what our true friends believe. And hopefully it is someone that sees us for the heart first, but also this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies, like the front of my shirt. We all, with the lines on our hand, have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And at least one on each hand, but this M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? Because a lot of students I speak to, even adults as well, have sometimes never been told this, have forgotten that, need a reminder, and we can be that light to their heart if we choose to, right? And you know, it takes courage to stand up and do what's right. We talk about a big reason why bullying happened is that hurt people, but healed people heal people. And if we can step into that, you know, overcome some of that pain and not push it onto someone else, but deal with it, be able to have that forgiveness, the hatred, you know, rise above that. That's really a testament to the kind of people that we need in this world, right? We need a lot more kindness. And I love their mantra here at Betty Jane. It says, be respectful, responsible, and safe, right? And that's what we're trying to create here, is a community of safety and knowing that we want to be able to express who we are, and whether we're, you know, taller, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color or not, speak a different language or not, have a disability or not, we can still accept everyone, right? We can still show that love, and we know that that true love, you know, will again overcome any of that pain, any of that hurts, any of those sad memories and those sad moments. So again, just huge, touched my heart. So thankful for the opportunity, and hope to see you all again. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. Keep sharing that message of that unconditional love. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you watch this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.